So got this parcel from Apple. We couldn't go to collect because there was no availability in the store nearby. So we got it delivered and let's unbox it together. So we finally have our new phone, iPhone 17 Pro in deep blue color. We didn't go with cosmic orange because that was too loud for my taste at some places. I think I might have enjoyed it, but not for a very longer period. So this is a safe color. So this is sort of a box which it comes in if you order from Apple. So order directly from the Apple's website. They also follow this tagging which they have in their main box. Let's see, this is the first time I've actually ordered an iPhone home, so I don't know how to open it properly, so bear with me for that. Okay, I think I've got it. So they do have the secure boxes so that your iPhone is not damaged, and if being honest, the way the delivery person was handling it was not very great. And this is how the box looks. So this is a SIM version, which means the battery pack for this one is slightly smaller than the completely eSIM one, but yeah, I think it comes in handy when you live abroad. You might need to have one physical SIM with you. Here's the final reveal. You all ready? Now the final reveal. Ooh. And even just out of the box, I can see that this camera, like this one, is slightly wider. Overall, it looks very nice. I'd say it's slightly heavier than iPhone 15 Pro. I don't know about iPhone 16, but it does feel the effect of being aluminum use. It's a little bit, maybe a placebo effect, but I feel it a little bit heavier than iPhone 15. In terms of the box itself, so you get a braided C to C type cable, a SIM ejector tool if you are in UK and Europe, and I think one thing which I saw this year was this new EU regulation. So it tells you about different ratings, so energy rating, drop rating, how difficult it is to be repaired, IP rating, and how many cycles it will have. So it's like 1000 cycles. And yeah, that's it. There's nothing else in the box. This is how the main iPhone looks like. Yeah, this one is the first one with, like my first one with side camera action button. And you can see my camera mounted on my head, which we were trying to avoid. But yeah, this looks so sleek overall. And it's also slightly different color than the previous. Let's quickly, there you go, your hello screen is here, talking to you in multiple languages. Obviously I don't want to bore you with the setup process. I'll set that up. And yeah, that was the unboxing experience of the new iPhone. Hope you liked it and hope you are getting yours soon as well if you're planning to. We'll take it out, do some test and see how it works in terms of camera, but overall this has been an upgrade for me from iPhone 13 Pro.